Today we're going to use wax. This is paraffin wax used for canning, sometimes candles. I think it's petroleum, but we're going to use it with watercolor. It's one of the resist techniques, which means when you put it down on paper, it's going to preserve whatever's underneath. So let me show you how you can do it. With this wax, sometimes I've even taken candles and even drawn with those. You can write something or draw something, and then you set it aside. It's going to preserve whatever is underneath, and so in this case, white. So I'm going to take some purple, just because you can see it really well, and I'm going to put that over the page, and you'll see something come through, like the word wax. Now, how can you use it besides having fun with different letters and words? Well, you can use it with anything that's shiny, like this eye. Give me a moment for this to adjust. So I drew this eye here, and I can take that piece of wax and I can touch it right on the iris, like right over here to the side. Do a small dot there, and a small dot on the other spot. Then I can choose whatever color I want. Since I've got purple mixed up, I'm just going to use that one. And I can color the iris, and it will not go over the wax. The wax will keep it from going into the page. See how it skips right over that center area? So you can show a little bit of a shine. Now, what can that look like with something like a tree? It's going to preserve what's underneath. So if I put that on top of this tree and just color over the different branches that I have, you can see I put some wax on here. And the goal here is to make it look like snow on a tree. Now let's say I painted that tree green first, let it dry, and then put the wax on. It would preserve the green that's there. And then I could maybe go over it with a darker green and it'll show some shadows. So wax is really useful for preserving what's underneath. The only thing is, of course, you can't take it off. So wherever it's going to go, it's going to be permanent. But that's part of the joy of rolling with things when you're doing watercolor.